Tara, let's explore this brand new 4-bedroom house na sigurado magugustuhan mo. This property sits on a 180 square meter lot with a floor area of 286.5 square meters. This property is located in BF Resort Village, Las Piñas City. Right in front of your house, you have here your landscape garden and this is your pedestrian gate na may doorbell ka na, may ilaw ka dyan. So, pasok tayo. So, this is your 2-vehicle carport na napakaluwag. Kasya kahit van, no? Dalawang SUV, kahit dalawang van, kasyang-kasya dito. And this is your main door. Meron na siyang smart lock system na, tara, pasok tayo.